Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of your car's brain, the OBD2 port. You probably know it as the place where you check for engine codes. But did you know it's a gateway to a ton of hidden features and powerful functions? We're going beyond simple code reading. I am going to show you 9 awesome things you can do with a decent mid-range OBD2 scanner that you might not have known were possible. Let's unlock your car's true potential. First up, the service reset. Is that annoying service due or oil change required light staring you in the face even after you've done the work? Don't pay the dealer to turn it off. With the right tool, you can access the service menu and reset these reminders yourself in just a few seconds. It's super satisfying and saves you a trip. For our demo, we'll plug into this Audi, navigate to the service function, and just like that, the reminder is gone. Next, let's talk about the electronic parking brake, or EP. If you need to change your rear brake pads on a modern car, you can't just push the caliper piston back in. You'll damage the motor. You need to put the EPB into service mode first. Your scanner can do this. It retracts the electronic brake, allowing you to safely do the brake job. Once you're done, you use the tool to return it to normal operation. This one is an absolute must-know for any dealer. Number 3 is battery registration. When you install a new battery, especially in many German cars, you can't just drop it in and go. The car's computer needs to know it has a new battery to adjust the charging strategy. If you don't register it, you could shorten the life of your brand new battery. Your OBD2 tool can go into the power management system and tell the car, "Hey, I've got a fresh battery here." It's a crucial step that many people miss. Moving on to number 4. DPF regeneration. If you have a diesel vehicle, you know about the diesel particulate filter. Over time, it gets clogged with soot. While the car usually handles this automatically, sometimes it needs a little help, especially if you do a lot of city driving. A good scanner can initiate a forced DPF regeneration, which runs the engine at a specific RPM to burn off that excess soot and clear out the filter. This can save you from a very expensive repair down the line. At number 5, we have throttle body adaptation. After cleaning your throttle body or replacing it, the car's computer might be a little confused about the throttle plate's exact position. This can cause a rough idle or poor throttle response. Using your scan tool, you can perform a throttle body adaptation or relay. This process resets the learned values and helps the ECU find the new baseline for idle and off-idle positions, making your engine run smooth as silk again. Number 6 is injector coding. This one is a bit more advanced, but it's incredibly useful. Each fuel injector has a unique calibration code printed on it. When you replace an injector, you need to input this code into the engine control unit. This tells the computer the precise flow rate of that new injector, ensuring the engine runs efficiently and smoothly. It's a key step for proper engine performance and fuel economy after an injector swap. Let's check out our 7th hidden function. Steering angle sensor calibration. After an alignment, or if you've had suspension work done, your steering angle sensor might need to be This sensor is critical for stability control and other safety systems. Your scanner can access the ABS or stability control module and reset the sensor's 0 point, ensuring it knows exactly when your wheels are pointed straight ahead. Number 8 is a fun one. Basic coding. Now, we're not talking about full-on ECU remapping, but many scanners allow for simple coding changes. This is where you can unlock hidden menus or change vehicle behavior. For example, you might be able to activate needle sweep on startup, change how the doors lock, or enable the digital speedometer. It's like finding Easter eggs in your car. On this VW, we can easily enable the feature that lets you open and close the windows with your key fob. How cool is that? Finally, number 9. Reading live data from specific modules. Your car has dozens of computer modules, not just the engine. A good tool can talk to the transmission control module, the airbag module, the body control module, and more. So there you have it, 9 powerful functions hiding behind your OBD2 port that go way beyond just reading trouble codes. Investing in a decent mid-range scanner can empower you to perform maintenance, diagnose issues, and even customize your car in ways you never thought possible. It really is the modern DIY mechanic's most essential tool. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get more out of your car. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into car tech. Let me know in the comments what hidden features you've unlocked on your car. See you in the next one.